Hi guys, welcome back. As you know that Cincinnati Open 2025 has commenced, and one of the big matches is going to be played on 10th of August in round of 16. Coco Gauff versus Wang Zhengyu. Yes, viewers. So Coco Gauff will be facing Zhengyu in one of the round of 64 matches on 10th of August. This is only match preview, tennis predictions for upcoming game. Do like, subscribe. Yes, we are talking about overall career. Both the players have met twice previously, one equally match won by both the players. So they are even Stevens in terms of head to head. But this cannot be the only predicting factor. Overall career, 10 single title to the credit of Gauff against 0 to Wang. 10 double titles to Gauff against only 4 to Wang. Win losses in singles, that summarizes the whole picture. Yes, Gauff is more experienced player with better winning average, 262 wins, 110 losses in singles, while Wang has 249 wins and 173 losses in singles. So both the players are quite experienced. While talking about Wang, she has played over, you can say, 400 odd matches, and similarly Gauff has played in fact less than 400 odd matches with better winning average, more wins to her credit, and far better conversion rate of wins into titles, as she has got 10 single titles against 0 to Wang. So in terms of single matches career, although Wang has more experience, more matches played by her, but the winning average of Gauff is better than that of Wang, with a better conversion rate of wins into titles. In fact, far better than the Wang. In doubles, again, Coco Gauff, in fact, in doubles, Coco Gauff is more experienced with playing over 200 odd matches, 149 wins, 66 losses, and 10 double titles to her credit, while Wang has only 90 wins, 59 losses, with 2 double titles to her credit. Moving forward, career highest rank achieved by Gauff 2, her current WTA rank is 2. Highest rank of Wang 32, her current WTA rank is 37. So this will definitely come into play and will give Coco Gauff psychological edge to win against Wang basis on her highest and current WTA rank. In terms of double rank, 59 of Gauff, while that of Wang is 96. In doubles also, Gauff has better record. Both are young, 21, Gauff 23 years of age. Wang, Gauff born in USA, while Wang in China. Both plays right-handed. Yes, we are talking about current profile. That also matters, as this year's only one match played by Wang. In fact, the only head-to-head encounter played between these two players, which was won by Wang this year. Talking about single titles this year, one single title to Gauff, one again double title to Gauff, and none of the title to Wang in singles as well as in double. The only Wang has benefit over Gauff is this year she has got the only head-to-head encounter, which was won by Wang. Overall in career there were two. One was won by Gauff, but this year the only match won by Wang. In terms of win-losses in single this year, again Gauff has better record, 30 wins, 11 losses, while Wang has 20 wins, 17 losses this year. So this year again belonging to Gauff in terms of winning average, more wins to her credit in singles, 33 wins against 22 Wang, with one single title conversion also to the credit of Gauff. In doubles also this year favoring Gauff with 9 wins, 2 losses, 1 double title, while Wang has only 8 wins, 11 losses without any double title yet. So we are making the prediction on the available data. Apart from this year where Wang was successful against Gauff in the only match they met, all other factors when we talk about this year in terms of single title, double title, conversion rate of wins into title this year, and in overall career where both the players have been compared, and Gauff has far better record than Wang in terms of single title, double titles, the highest, in fact the winning average in both the forms of the game, conversion rate of wins into titles, career highest rank, current WTA rank, all favoring Coco Gauff to win the upcoming game. And that is also my prediction. If you find this video informative, do like, subscribe.